Happy Monday everyone, it's September 2, 2024 and it's a beautiful Monday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at sa mga blessings na darating pa din kasama ang mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges ng buhay natin, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful and exciting. At siyempre huwag natin kalimutan yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga taong kikimalas sa paligid natin. Shoutout on kay Glenda, Glenn Snow at kay Pucci, Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mama Lu, Luis El Susen, Janet Panaang, and Aldi Galvadores ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, kina Raymond and James Nitamente, Jonel Raplisa, Joel Kayhaw, and Joel Pistolante ng Grab Car Iligan Drivers. Yun, look now. Kina Jima David, Inay Araso, Angie Sarmiento, Ruby Cortez, Elizabeth Guevara, Angel Inario, Mabel Andres, Elizar Torres, Rachel Pastolero, Nikki and Cherry Aki, it's my love. Ripples of the day natin po is, let hard work serve not just as a way to earn money, but an inspiration to make a better version of yourself. For a better version of yourself is your best asset that God has given you today. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Monday, everyone.